that's what you feel like here. Is this ever going to end? It has been raining now for, what, 3 days, and it's been adding up. So Connecticut, by far, you guys have been some of the biggest winners. Man, that Connecticut River Valley, there's something going on right here. You've had more than 4 to 5, even up to 6 inches of rain when you add it all up over the past 2 days. Same thing's happening up into Vermont, and a little bit of that has to be the direction of the wind, where you get that wind coming in from the south, and it's hitting the mountains, and that's helping to sort of wring out some of the moisture. We also have a tropical connection to this moisture. In fact, we can trace it all the way back to south of Florida. Florida is dry. Dry air has come on through, but we've got that tropical connection all the way back here into the Bahamas, over Cuba. There's that moisture connection getting up into the northeast. Interestingly, Boston is warmer this morning than into West Palm Beach in Florida, and also more humid too. Dew points are up into near 60 in New England. So the rain will be heavy at times. You saw that little low that's going to be coming through, and that will help us finally move this thing out. So the low comes in, there'll still be moisture with it. That'll help crank out a little more rain for you, at least on the eastern end of Long Island. We'll get some rain through southern New England through this evening, and then into the rest of New England, we'll get this rain to pull out through the overnight hours tonight. So we still have a couple more inches of rain to go. Reynolds, it's a widespread 1 inch, maybe 2 inches into parts of Maine. And then, this, first of all, this is going to erase the drought. New drought monitor coming out, and I can't see how we'll have any left after this, Reynolds.
Isn't that easy? We hear that all the time before a natural disaster. Governor officials urging people to stay safe and evacuate before the storm hits.
But could getting out leave you out of a job? In Naples, Florida, the city manager reportedly fired an employee who refused to work during Hurricane Irma. All
right, Mary Ziegler, an employment law professor at the Florida State University College of Law, joins us via Skype this morning. Let's go ahead and get into this here, Mary. Is it legal to fire someone who evacuates because of a hurricane? Or
those for a private company, whether it's legal or not legal, or just guidelines to go by?
I'd have any kind of legal recourse.
This is insurance, just to clarify that this is insurance after the fact that can help you if you are out of a job because of a storm. Because you were fired or just can't work.
So, Mary, is this something that's now happening, or, as lawyers do, you go back and look at previous cases, similar cases? What kind of history do we have with this?
For this morning, Mary Ziegler, Florida State University College of Law. We appreciate it.
All right, guys, stick around. Is 93L going to hammer the Northeast? We'll let you know coming up.